Hello everyone, it's Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com and from Wall Street Raw Radio here on Metastock for a presidential weekend update on my volume reversal toolkit and particularly my volume reversal indicator here on Metastock. This is the order page at Metastock. If you like to sign up for the volume reversal indicator, it comes in three forms as you can see on the screen: the 2-day, directional, and sequential, all part of the same package. I look at the sequential on these videos. Meanwhile, as a reminder, I do host the Wall Street War Radio program Saturday mornings, 10 a.m. Eastern, on the Genesis Communication Network. That's GCN, George Charlie Nancy, GCNlive.com. It is archived there and on iTunes. And my newsletters are really moving along nicely here, particularly with the Cannabis Vice letter, which is part and parcel to this current recording. Some of these stocks have really taken off. I think I was the second newsletter out there about 3 years ago in this space, and tremendous gains across the board here, and it's something you really need to look at. So I encourage you to sign up for that, and I think you'll really be surprised by some of the nice trades and action in this emerging area. I'm sure you're aware of it already, but just want to bring that to your attention. But we do have a bunch of other newsletters that are available. Jumping into our chart, we're looking at Cannabics Pharmaceutical, which took off really nicely for us. As you can see here, there's a series of positive volume reversals going back all the way through November, and we count them here at the Metastock indicator screen, and we get a series that, as you can see, are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it just shows you continued accumulation in the stock. Of course, the reason we jumped in was because it was, to us, it looked like a catch-up play. So many were moving, and we noticed that we had several positive ERs, and it started to move nicely above this 50-day. We jumped in about 5, 6 days ago, just around this level that I'm circling, and we're really pleased by the big surge we saw here in the last couple of trading days. Of course, the risk is it could pull back to these little breakout points here, but the trend is clearly up. But the main point of this video, of course, is to let you know that the positive VR signaled the beginning and accumulation. One of the other points you may be familiar with listening to my recordings over the years is we like to see, generally speaking, a rising 533 stochastic when a VR is occurring, particularly if you're trading. Conversely, when a negative VR is formed, we like to see a downtrending 533. It's not carved in stone, but it's a good, confirming indicator, so we like to take a look at that as well. So again, appreciate you tuning in. Please sign up for the VR indicator, and of course take a look at my newsletters at vrtrader.com, and we'll catch you on the next recording.